What's up, people? Today we're going to be checking out a video light from GVM. This RGB and it's waterproof. Right after this. Welcome back. If you're new to the channel, I'm Kedrick Foster. I do unboxings and reviews of all the latest tech. So if you like that type of content, hit that like and that subscribe button. So GVM sent me out this light and I was really curious to try it out because for one, it's RGB. So we all seen RGB video lights before, but what made this one different was it was waterproof. So that just got my mind going of all these different shots I can get having a waterproof light. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the box, see what comes with it. It also has an app. We're gonna jump into the app, and then of course, you know we're gonna throw it in some water. So let's go ahead and get into the box. So this is the box here. GVM. It also has a QR code if you want to go ahead and download the app so you can check out and see how the app is. Go ahead and scan that. So first thing in the box is a thank you from GVM, and the model number for this is the GVM FS03R. So if you want to take a look at that, that's the actual model number. Alright, so you have a hot shoe mount, have a wrist strap, you have your USB, and it is micro USB. You want one, but for a light, I guess it's not a big deal. Would have been nice if it was USB Type C. And then you have the light itself. So pretty simple packaging. If you look at the light, you have like a solid construction. There's really no moving parts to it. You have your slot for your charger there with a cover on it, because of course this is waterproof. You have your hot shoe threads for you if you want to mount it to your camera or anything. And then you have a single button here on the back. Let me see if I can get this turned on. Okay. So it's pretty bright. And it's also changed colors. I don't know if you can. Okay, the more you tap it, so it looks like it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 different settings. So I'm guessing it's going up 20% every time you tap the button. Let me see if there's a way to switch it to the RGB. See, maybe if I hold it. No, that turns it off. Maybe a double tap. No, triple tap. Okay, so it looks like there's no way to change it to the RGB mode from the actual light itself. You have to go through the actual app. So let's go ahead and download the app and see what it looks like. See what kind of modes it has for the RGB. So we signed up for the app. The app link through the QR code didn't really work for me, so I just went straight to the Android app store, typed in GVM, and it came up. When you scan the QR code, it doesn't take you to the app store. It takes you to some type of website where you download the app. So it's easier just to go directly to that Android app store, and I'm assuming the same thing for iOS. Just go straight to the app store and type in GVM. So as you see here, we have, I'm gonna put the light here so you can see it. You have a slider which you can control the brightness of the light, and this is nice because when you push the button, it only increases in increments of 20%. But here on the app, you have a lot more fine-tuned control on how bright you can make it. So that's a nice touch. And right here, you can switch the Kelvin rating of the light. So that's also nice. So you can go to a warmer light and then back to a cooler light. So now when we go to HSI, now we have the RGB controls. So now we can switch to pretty much whatever color we want. And this just has me thinking of all the cool underwater shots that I can get with this light. Now, fortunately, I don't have an underwater camera right now, but I have had one. Now, this would have been a definite upgrade to the shots that I took with that camera. So next time I do take any underwater shots, this is definitely coming along with me. So then you also have your different scenes. You got lightning, you got candle, bad bulb, got your disco, cop car, TV, party, and paparazzi. So all that's pretty cool, but let's get down to business. Let's go try this out with some water. So overall, I really like the light. It has a nice construction to it. The underwater feature is what sets this apart from any other light. So, you know, GVM makes a lot of different RGB lights and they all work well. But this is the only one that I've seen that has the waterproof aspect of it. So if you're a filmmaker and you want to get some creative shots, you want to shoot in the rain and don't want to worry about your light going out, definitely grab one of these. Definitely something that you should have in your bag. So if y'all have any other questions about this light, drop them down in the comments section. I'll also have the link to where you can find this down there. Again, I want to thank GVM for sending this out. Really appreciate it. So I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace out.